Hey, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the new MSI RTX 2070, the Duke Edition. Anyway, so to start off, I'll show you the box. Of course, here's the front, and here's the top side, the bottom side. This has some fine print, so I'll show it up to the screen here. There's the side, and the most important side, of course, is the back. I'll show all the fine details. Pretty interesting technology there. Anyway, so yeah, now I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, so first is a little envelope here. It has MSI logo on it, kind of neat. So yeah, on the inside I'll just open up. You know what's in here. The first is a user guide. I'll probably never read this. I mean, yeah, it's in probably 10 different languages. You really don't need this for a graphics card. I don't know why they do this. Anyway, that's that. This is kind of interesting. This is a booklet. I'll just give it a quick read. Oh, cool! It has like its own little comic. So I guess this dragon thing is an MSI mascot. Kinda neat. Shows you how to use, in a comic way, how to use MSI Afterburn and all that cool stuff. I guess kind of an innovative way to get young people into overclocking their graphics cards. And here's a little thank you note they left. Oh, cool. Now these look like cup. I can't think of the name. Where you put your cup on top of the table. Cup mat. I thought this comic was pretty interesting. I mean, it's kind of a cool way of giving instructions for people probably doing it the first time, so they don't feel embarrassed. Alright, so now the part you've all been waiting for, unboxing the card itself. Yeah, right here in the box we have, well, first of all, the peripherals. There's this cool, I guess it's a bracket to prevent sagging because it's such a long card. It feels like it feels pretty high quality aluminum. It's a nice courtesy of MSI to include that. Now for the card, just gonna stand up so you can see the screen better. So yeah, here's the front of the card. The fans aren't that big. Oh, I'm gonna get something for reference. Just, I'm sure all you guys are familiar with. If I can get this out, okay. Yeah, so I'm sure all you guys are familiar with the 12mm fan. So I'm just gonna hold that up in size comparison between the Duke at 2070 and the 12mm fan right here. So yeah, I'd say these fans are maybe around. I was saying 12. I mean 120mm. Yeah, so these fans are probably around 80mm size. So they're definitely on the smaller end. This card is rather narrow compared to most. And yeah, they do provide the PCI cover right there. Now with these newer cards, the serial number isn't on a sticker anymore, but rather it's engraved on the unit itself right here. But yeah, here's a backplate, pretty high quality. By the way, this card, for any of you wondering, this card has no LEDs. Yeah, right here are the power it supports. Here are the ports. I'm gonna focus in on that. You can see there's one display port, one HDMI, another display port, and a USB-C connector. So this can comfortably support 3 monitors. The other side, just simple plastic. You can't really feel the heatsink, but it's, oh yeah, you can see it here. It's pretty. It feels like it's nice solid aluminum heatsink right there. And so yeah, that's the card. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoy your PC building. Thanks. Bye.